Hello and welcome to my classroom. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps you will take to complete your practice data for the biodiversity project. This will provide you with an opportunity to collect a real-life leaf sample, contribute to the iNaturalist community, and document your findings for the project. This is to ensure that you understand the steps that you will take in the future to acquire ground truth points at each of your study locations. For the biodiversity project this year, you will be collecting ground truth samples. To get started, I would download the iNaturalist application to your mobile device so that you can upload your specimen from the field. However, you can also upload them at a later time and after identification. You will need to locate a woody plant. For this practice, you will only need to locate a single organism. You can obtain this at your park or at an area closer to your home. However, for the real data collection, please ensure that you collect 2 different organisms, not 2 different pecan leaves. Once you find the coolest woody plant in the park, you are going to want to take 3 images. Ensure that they are at different angles and not just the same image 3 times. This will help you, me, and the iNaturalist community identify your unknown. Ensure that the sample you collect is not a terminal leaf, meaning the one at the end of the stem. They can make it challenging to identify, and I would suggest avoiding them. Next, you will submit your observation via iNaturalist. You can do this using the mobile or desktop application. I will explain how to using the mobile application, but if you need help with the desktop version, please feel free to reach out. You are going to want to click Observe. Then select where the images are located or being produced. Are you going to take them with the application or upload them from your phone? Lastly, you will need to provide details about your collection. The What Did You See section is extremely helpful in identifying your specimen. You can also provide details for you and the public to confirm the identification. Select the date. For the location, you can have your mobile device find your current location if you are in the field. If you are submitting after location or collection, the desktop application is easier because you can provide the exact latitude and longitude coordinates. For geoprivacy, please select Obscure. This ensures the exact location of collection is not revealed. If you are collecting this specimen rather close to your home, please select Private so that your location is not disclosed to the public. Lastly, make sure to upload it to the Planet Earth project group so that I can access it for grading. In addition to iNaturalist, you will need to record your observation in your project notebook as 1. A data table, and 2. Provide a detailed specimen page. The table should be on page 4 or 5. It should appear just like this, including the park name, collection date, species, location, and description. Here is an example of a completed data table. Ensure that you come back and write the actual name of the specimen once it has been officially identified. Your sample will appear on page 6. To store it properly, take your notebook with you to the park. Smash your sample between the pages. This ensures that the sample dries flat instead of collecting the sample in a plastic bag and adding it to the page at a later time. Once home, you can affix the plant to the page. Use very little tape, about 2 pieces. This helps the plant from breaking apart and leaves it accessible for identification. Once affixed, please be sure to provide the common name, scientific name, park, and date of collection for the sample. You have now finished your practice data collection and are prepared to collect your first ground truth sample. Thanks for tuning in.